Assalamualaikum, dear student. Welcome to our continuous online class. I am B. Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher Science, KDRK Secondary School, Lohagaranarai. Dear student, today I shall discuss with you a very important topics. The topic is about changing sentence. Dear student, I use some Bangla for your clear conception. Dear student, at first I discuss with you what is changing sentence. What do you know about transformation of sentence? Changing sentence or conversion of sentence. The conversion of sentence is an excellent exercise as it teaches a variety of expression in writing English. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, এই যে কনভার্সন অফ সেন্টেন্স, এটা একটা চমৎকার অনুশীলন সেন্টেন্সের প্রকাশভঙ্গির বৈচিত্র্য আনার জন্য এবং অসংখ্য সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করার জন্য। এখন প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমি তোমাদের জানাচ্ছি ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ সেন্টেন্স কি। দ্য ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ সেন্টেন্স মিনস চেঞ্জিং অফ সেন্টেন্স ফ্রম ওয়ান ফর্ম টু অ্যানাদার ফর্ম উইদাউট এনি চেঞ্জ অফ মিনিং। Dear student, I again repeat this sentence. The transformation of sentence means changing of sentence from one form to another form without any change of meaning. অর্থাৎ অর্থের পরিবর্তন না করে সেন্টেন্সের গঠনের পরিবর্তন করার যে প্রক্রিয়া, সেটা হচ্ছে ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ সেন্টেন্স। Dear student, for example, উদাহরণস্বরূপ আমি তোমাদের কতগুলো সেন্টেন্স দিচ্ছি, তোমরা একটু দেখে নাও। He is a good boy. Okay, student, I write a sentence. He is a good boy. Conversion: he is not a good boy. অর্থাৎ he is a good boy, সে একজন ভালো ছেলে। She is not a good boy, সে একজন ভালো ছেলে নয়। He is not a bad boy, সে একজন খারাপ ছেলে নয়। So dear student, this is conversion, সে ভালো ছেলে নয়। This is transformation, অর্থাৎ সেন্টেন্সের যে অর্থ সেটা পরিবর্তন হয়ে যাচ্ছে। সেন্টেন্সের বাক্যের যে পরিবর্তন হয়ে যাচ্ছে, সে একজন ভালো ছেলে, সে ভালো ছেলে নয়, এটা কিন্তু পরিবর্তন হয়ে যাচ্ছে। এটাও কিন্তু নেগেটিভ হচ্ছে, দিস ইজ নেগেটিভ, বাট এটা হচ্ছে কনভার্সন। আর হি ইজ নট এ ব্যাড বয়, দিস ইজ অলসো নেগেটিভ, বাট ইটস কল্ড ট্রান্সফরমেশন। যে সেন্টেন্সের অর্থের পরিবর্তন না করে যেটা হচ্ছে, সেটা হচ্ছে ট্রান্সফরমেশন। আর অর্থের পরিবর্তন করে যেটা হচ্ছে, সেটা হচ্ছে অর্থের পরিবর্তন, যেটা কনভার্সন। অর্থের পরিবর্তন না করে যেটা হচ্ছে, সেটা হচ্ছে ট্রান্সফরমেশন। তাহলে ইউ হ্যাভ টু অ্যান্সার ইট, ইজ নট এ ব্যাড বয়, হি ইজ নট এ ব্যাড বয়, হি ইজ এ গুড বয়, হি ইজ নট এ ব্যাড। ইউ হ্যাভ টু অ্যান্সার ইট ইন ইউর এক্সামিনেশন, বিকজ your examiner wants to know about the meaning, about the not changing the meaning of the sentence. So you have to write the transformation of sentence. Now, dear student, I at first discuss what topics are related to the transformation of sentence. You may have to interchange you may have to interchange from sentence assertive, affirmative, negative, interrogative to interrogative sentence, and then exclamatory sentences. Then voice, either active or passive. Then degree of adjective, either positive degree, either comparative degree, or superlative degree. Then sentence again have simple sentence, complex sentence, or compound sentence, and finally we have to interchange narration, direct or indirect. So dear student, you have to interchange from the direction sentence assertive, either affirmative to negative, assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, voice change active, voice to passive voice, degree of adjective from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, etc. Sentence simple to complex or simple to compound, complex to compound. Narration direct or indirect. So dear student, it's not a very easy task. You have to know some important rules to interchange from positive to negative, positive to comparative, to affirmative to negative. So you have to know the rules first. So there are various fields, you know, where questions will come. Now I will discuss some rules. Interchange of affirmative to negative. Interchange of affirmative to negative sentence I will discuss for. A negative sentence is often formed by number one, changing assertive to interrogative, changing assertive to interrogative, অর্থাৎ assertive sentence কে interrogative sentence এ পরিবর্তন করে আমরা কি করতে পারি? He is a great fool. Dear student, assertive sentence to দেওয়া আছে, he is a great fool. Is he not a great fool? Is he not a great fool? It's interrogative sentence but negative interrogative. For example, to Asma goes to school. Here, doesn't Asma go to school? Here there are one ways to change affirmative to negative, changing assertive to interrogative. Assertive, he is a grateful. Interrogative আমরা করলাম, is he not a grateful? Asma goes to school. Doesn't Asma go to school? Dear student, now I will discuss with you number 2, rules number 2. Rules number 2, by using opposite words. By using opposite words, বিপরীত শব্দ বসিয়ে আমরা অ্যাফার্মেটিভ থেকে নেগেটিভ করতে পারি যে স্টুডেন্ট। ফর এক্সাম্পল, হি ইজ এ গুড ম্যান। হি ইজ নট এ bad man. Number 2, only Allah can save us. Save us from danger. None but Allah can save us from danger. Here only or none but I shall always remember you. Always remember you. I shall always and never. Always for never. Remember for forget. I shall never forget you. Here we use the opposite words. Always for never. Remember for forget. So dear students, you come to know that by using opposite words we can change affirmative to negative. So the question, rules number 3. Rules number 3, by changing degree of comparison, ডিগ্রি অফ কম্পারিজন, বিভিন্ন ডিগ্রির মধ্যে পরিবর্তন করেও আমরা অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্সকে নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে পরিবর্তন করতে পারি প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা। ফর এক্সাম্পল, হি ইজ দ্য বেস্ট বয় ইন দ্য ক্লাস। হি ইজ দ্য best boy in the class. No other boy in the class is as good as he. Here, he is the best boy in the class is superlative degree, and no other boy in the class is as good as he is positive degree, but it's a negative sentence here. Rupali is taller than Shefali. Taller than Shefali. Here it is comparative degree. Rupali is taller than Shefali. দুজনের মধ্যে তুলনা করা হয়েছে। Shefali is not as tall as Rupali. Here is positive degree. Shefali is not as tall as Rupali. So dear student, interchange of affirmative to negative is very important for you, because every year there are lots of questions, 1 or 2 questions to affirmative to negative. We have to change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. So it's very important for you. Now I will discuss with you the interchange of assertive to interrogative. Interchange of assertive to interrogative. Dear students, I will discuss now from assertive to interrogative exchange. If the sentence is negative, the question is affirmative, and but when the question is negative, sentence is affirmative. So you have to remember that if the sentence is negative, the question will be affirmative, and but when the question is negative, the sentence will be affirmative. Such as, there is no use of this. The question will be, what is the use of it? What is the use of it? Dear student, here the sentence is negative, no use, but the question is affirmative. What is the use of it? For example, another example, their glory can never fade. Can never fade. Here the sentence is negative, never. Can their glory ever, never for ever, ever fade? So, dear student, you have to remember that if the sentence is negative, the question is affirmative, and when the question is negative, the sentence is affirmative. Now, question number 2. Who is used? Who is used for everybody, everyone, all, nobody, none. For example, everybody likes an honest man. Everybody have, so everybody, everyone, all, nobody, none. Here, who is used for questioning. Who doesn't like an honest man? Who doesn't like an honest man? Here the sentence is affirmative, but the question is negative. Now, nobody trusts a liar. Nobody trusts a liar. Who trusts a liar? So dear student, nobody কেউ মিথ্যাবাদীকে বিশ্বাস করে না। কে মিথ্যাবাদীকে বিশ্বাস করে? Here the sentence is negative, but the question is affirmative here. So dear student, we have come to know the interchange of assertive to interrogative. Now I will discuss with you interchange of assertive to exclamatory. assertive to exclamatory. Dear students, assertive to exclamatory exchange having no specific rules, but we have to follow some guideline. Now we have to follow number 1, part A, noun plus subject plus verb, such as example, you are a great fool. You are a great fool. Or a great fool you are. Dear students, what is your roles? Noun, grateful. You, subject and verb are. Number 2, the bird was very beautiful. The bird was beautiful. For a beautiful bird it is. What a beautiful the bird is. The bird is. So here rules number 2, how plus adjective plus subject plus verb. So dear students, for example, no 2 rules here. Part A, noun subject plus verb. How adjective subject plus verb. For example, the rose is very beautiful. The rose is very beautiful. How beautiful the rose is. Here note of exclamation here. Example number 2, you are very talkative. How talkative you are. Here how adjective talkative here, subject you and verb are. So dear student, exchange of assertive exclamatory, you come to know there are 2 rules here. What, the beginning of the sentence, what and how. Initial word what and how is used to start exclamatory sentence here. Now I will discuss about exchange of degrees. Exchange of degree of adjective, degrees of adjectives. Dear students, I will discuss with the exchange of degree of adjective now. Positive degree as no other or very few. Comparative than or than any other. superlative, the or one of the, in or of. So dear student, for example, you have to remember these rules here. For example, Romeo is better than any other boys. No other boys is as good as Romeo. Here this is positive degree. Romeo is better than any other boys. Romeo is the best boy. Romeo is the best boy here. So here is positive degree, change of comparative degree and superlative degree. Another example for you. Very few city is as big as Dhaka in Bangladesh. Here very few start and as denotes, indicates its positive degree, and the exchange of comparative degree here Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Here bigger than indicates comparative degree. Dhaka is one of the biggest city in Bangladesh. Here one of the biggest indicates superlative degree here. So dear students, you have to remember superlative degree having the or one of the. Here in or of, in Bangladesh or of Bangladesh, here in is the prepositive words. So dear students, you come to know the transformation of sentence, exchange of degree of adjective. Now I will discuss with you exchange of voice active to passive. Active to passive. Dear students, you read, write the example in your khatas and you have to remember the rules. Rules here. Objective subject হবে, টেন্স অনুসারে ভার্ব বসবে, মূল ভার্বের পিপি ফর্ম বসবে, বাই বসবে, and finally সাবজেক্টটি অবজেক্ট হবে। For example, I eat a mango. Okay, students, here object a mango, object is subject হলো, tense here present tense, is eat here eaten. Eaten by I for me. He teaches us English. Here object, two object, English or us. We can change the two object here. Now one object English is present tense. Yes or yes. English is taught us by him. So, dear student, transformation of sentence is a complicated work, but you have to change from the directed form of the sentence. In 6 to 10 students, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 have to answer this question. So you have to remember the rules of transformation and you have to write it. So dear student, thank you very much, and I will invite you to the next class for the transformation. Thank you very much, dear student. Thank you very much.